Hi, this is Mark Newman, Chief Analyst at TM4, and we are here at DTW Ignite 2023. On day one, delighted to be joined by Olgay Tash. Olgay is VP Product Development at Etiya. Olgay, I know that there's a lot of focus broadly around monetization, 5G monetization. What do you see as the best opportunities for operators monetizing their investments in 5G?
Okay. Actually, as 5G enables faster speeds and lower latency, it has many opportunities with collaborating with enterprises from vertical industries and in B2B and B2BX model, actually. I think there are two main monetization strategies for the operators. First one is connectivity-driven monetization, and the second one is use case-driven monetization. And 5G actually comes with capabilities like network slicing, edge networking, mobile network access, and fixed wireless access. Those capabilities enables operators to generate new revenue, actually. And I think those enables implementing new services, new use cases like autonomous vehicles, connected devices, IoT, industry-specific applications in various vertical sectors, actually, public, media, entertainment, healthcare, so on and so forth. And there are many opportunities, and I think it will transform and change the digital economy, and it will expand the digital landscape.
So you mentioned network slicing, and operators across the world are deploying 5G standalone networks to be able to offer network slicing. What do you see as being the main capabilities that are going to ensure they can roll out and launch and offer network slices?
From the operator perspective, actually, first of all, they need to upgrade their infrastructure, network infrastructure, with the new technologies like SDN and NFV is a must. And of course, they need to change and adapt their operational model in order to operate effectively the complex networking. And in addition to that, actually, they need to have a partner management system, because the partner is very crucial for the network slicing and for the realizing the implementation of the use cases. So they should have a capability that partners can manage their services, and also actually they need to invest in the skill set of the people. They should train the people, and because the 5G requires actually expertise, deep expertise, and they should invest that. I think those are on top of it, actually, they need to change the organization structure, and they should change delivery model. And lastly, these 5G deployments needs modern software development techniques, processes, and tools, and they need to implement DevOps practices, like I think, and also implement cloud-native microservice-based architecture. Those are the main capabilities they should have.
And you mentioned partners. What type of partners do you think will be most important for telecoms operators?
Actually, for the monetization, actually, the partner is very crucial, and they play a very vital role. And from different industries, they bring the expertise on board, actually. Actually, real value comes from that. The operators expose the capabilities, but the partners turns these capabilities into business value, and it leads to monetization. For example, working with startup companies, research institutions, tech companies brings the innovation, actually, and they enlarge and expand the use cases and enriching the use cases, and they helps the operators to implement real cases and what is the killer app actually in the 5G. And all those actually brings together and turns into the monetization. Another value that partners brings is cost sharing. You know, the 5G deployment is very expensive and it needs huge amount of investment, and this cost sharing can be collaboration can be done with also partners.
And Etiya is as a BSS company, what can you do to help operators?
Yeah, actually, as Etiya, we are always continuously developing and transforming our BSS stack, and we first turned our BSS architecture into cloud native Microsoft-based architecture, and we have been implementing so far the DevOps practices, continuous integration, continuous delivery. And for the 5G, we need to put some new capabilities, new feature set functionalities on top of our BSS stack. And what we have done actually, we created a platform which is Etiya Network Commerce and Management Platform. It is integrated, seamlessly integrated with our BSS stack, and it provides monetization solution, and it enables new business models, and it's a central management of network services and network slices, tailored services that is for the helping for the monetization, and it is AI-based. It supports AI-based recommendation use cases, and we built Etiya Netcom based on the TMF standard, and it utilizes effectively open API and so that we can ensure the integration seamlessly. The BSS, the CSPs that do not replace actually entirely to the BSS, they can easily integrate with our Netcom, because it is based on the TMF Open API standard, and it's a layer that exposes the APIs, and it's also have capabilities, partner catalog, onboarding, and partner management, and so on and so forth.
Okay, well, Otto, thank you very much for your thoughts today. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.